All right, we're gonna build this interactive password generator in 5 minutes. We'll first start with importing the Streamlit library. And we will also import a random, we can generate these random sets of characters for our password. I'm gonna create a new character set. This will be the non-numerical and non-alphabetical characters, special characters. And I'll create a mobile-friendly version of it as well, which is basically when you go into your phone and try to add some special characters. These are the ones that are showing up in the first page of that screen. And the second character set will be the numbers, uppercase letters, and the lowercase letters. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the Streamlit application at the same time we're writing the code to generate a password. So I'm gonna click always rerun, and when we are building pieces on the left hand side, they will start showing up on the right hand side. So let's put a title here as password generator. You can see that it shows up on the right hand side. So we're going to create two columns here. Let's say column 1 and column 2. And for the first column, I would like to put the checkbox, whether it's a mobile or not. And I would like to put that through the checkbox. And you can say mobile friendly. And the value will be true by default. And as you can see, it shows up here on the right hand side. And the second piece will be the length of our password. And I would like to put a slider for that. And that will make the password length configurable. And maybe for the value, we can put like 10 characters and the max value as 20 for now. So you can see on the right hand side, the column is already built. So I'm gonna build the column 2. In the column 2, we're gonna put the character sets as we defined up in here. And it will be a input text, and we will put specials, so special characters, and the value will be the character set 1. And if I do the same thing for character set 2, these will be numbers and letters, and that will be for character set 2. As we can see here, if you want to enable this by the mobile, what we can do, so in here, chosen set will be based on the is mobile friendly flag here. We'll put character set mobile friendly if is mobile, else it will go to the regular character set. And here we can put the chosen set. By default, this is selected here, the mobile friendly. If I unselect it, it goes to the specials, but there are more special characters. And if I go to mobile friendly, it goes to a reduced set of characters. Okay, now let's start focusing on the generation of that password itself. So the password space will be a combination of the character set 1 plus character set 2. And this will be our password space. What I would like to do is we'll generate a password from this. So let's define this generate password function here. Let's say we would like to send the space of the password, and we would like to send the length of the password. A generator which returns random characters from the defined space as an iterable, so that we can iterate over and then we can concatenate those characters. So what I would like to do here is I would like to yield the random, and I will get the system random and the choice space. I generate password with the password space and the length, which is chosen. This will generate the password and returns an interval. Type this into Streamlit. And because this is a number of characters, we would like to join them. And these characters will be joined, and it will be part of the info in here. So, and there's a dot here. As you can see, the password shows up here. And if you make a change here on the password length, that will change our password.